Hey, this is Mike with Motorrad Audio and Extreme Audio giving you an installation video for the front speaker pods for a 2021 and older BMW K1600. For this installation, you're going to need a T25 screwdriver and then preferably a shorter, stumpy version T25 screwdriver as well that we'll show you here in just a bit. So let's get into it. So the first two pieces we're going to remove are going to be this little insert down in here. So you'll be taking this one Torx T25 out there and removing this piece of plastic. And then also the little wing that's right here on the outside, you'll notice that there is another T25 Torx buried up in there. So we'll get to taking those two out and then show you the next steps. Pull this piece straight out to you after you've pulled that Torx loose. Once you've loosened that Torx, this pulls towards you just a little bit and then comes right off, and then I'll show you the screws that are behind that. So here you have a few Torxes that you need to remove, and you can kind of see the assembly where that screw is that I just loosened up to kind of release that side panel. So let me get to taking these screws out and then I'll show you the next steps from there. So that just pulls directly off once you have those out. So now that we have those out, we have one more Torx here to remove, as well as another up here that's behind the windshield. This is where your right angle stubby would come in handy. If you don't have one of those, it's not a big deal. There are 4 screws here that hold the windshield on. You could pull those off, pop the windshield off, and then you have access with a regular screwdriver to get those out. So let me get to pulling those out and then we'll move on from there. Now that we have those screws out, this panel that's surrounding the speaker and grill, you just pull straight out and it just unsnaps and out she comes. Once you have that off, you have 3 Torxes that hold the speaker pod itself in that you'll remove. pod pops right out. It will be plugged in. This bike had some previous damage to a mirror, so someone had disassembled this prior and left the speaker unplugged. So it was already unplugged for us. But that's going to be it when it comes to taking the speaker out. You're doing the exact same installation on the other side, so there's no real differences there. We'll get to showing you how to plug our plug and play harness in depending on which amplifier installation you're doing, and kind of move forward from there.